Hello everyone, my name is Roger Dupuy with Rogue Health. In my last video, I talked about how you heal a leaky gut and the steps you have to take to make yourself feel better. Now that's not to say that you can't cheat. In fact, if you don't cheat, you might have a hard time following these diet plans to a T. So pick a day in there where you might feel like you have to cheat and go all out for that day, but then get right back to what you need to do to feel better. In the following slides, I will show you what a 7-day detoxification plan may be, but you may want to talk to your naturopath physician as he or she may develop a specific plan for you. This is one plan that worked well for me. So here we go. On day one, you can start with a breakfast. You can have hot rice cereal or basic millet recipe, sweetened with a little bit of maple syrup, not too much, and non-dairy milk. You can have millet and yam hash browns. At lunchtime, eat something light such as a sesame, spinach, and noodle salad. For a snack later, maybe a couple of hours after, have carrot bread or sliced raw veggies or seeds, and that would be sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds, etc. At dinner time, have a kombu squash soup. And just so that you know, in all these recipes, I will be posting them in future videos, and they will also be uploaded to my website as soon as I have it operational. For day two, choose one of the following liquids: freshly squeezed lemon plus pure water, herb tea or green tea, fresh fruit salad or fresh fruit with organic yogurt. You could substitute that also with soy goat's yogurt. At lunchtime, an oriental chicken or tofu salad. For a snack, a couple of hours later, have garbanzo snack or nuts. And nuts, I mean almonds, or but certainly not cashews or peanuts, as those are not nuts. At dinner time, have a vegetarian chili served with organic corn tortilla chips or special grain bread. And you can have kale with garlic sauce as well with this, and it tastes really good. On day three, start your morning with a smoothie of your choice. See the drinks or smoothies or make up your own. You'll see that in my recipes and my future videos. For lunch, have cilantro pepper pasta salad. And a couple of hours later, have carrot cake, one piece, or veggies with hummus. I recommend veggies with hummus. It's a lot easier to make. And then for dinner, kombu squash soup would be very tasty. On day four, have avocado omelet. These are actually very nice. They taste fantastic. I was skeptical at the beginning until I tried them. For lunch, have quinoa and chickpea salad with organic sesame rice crackers. For a snack, again, a couple of hours later, have nut sticks or organic tortilla chips with cilantro salsa and or broccoli guacamole. That was another one. Broccoli guacamole was actually quite easy to make and very tasty to my surprise. For dinner, have heavenly quinoa hash with sauce or plain and herb dumplings. Day five, have tofu scramble and drink some herb tea. For lunch, vegetarian sandwich, special grain breads with any veggies. For example, beet greens, avocado. Beet is misspelled here, my apologies. With non-dairy cheese and avocado mayonnaise. For a snack, fresh fruit, should be 2 hours after the meal again, or rice crackers with black bean sunflower spread. For dinner, zucchini stuffed with almonds and red peppers and dulse garlic bread. Again, to my surprise, this was very tasty. On day 6, start your breakfast with pancake tacos and herbal tea. Quinoa and organic brown wild rice steamed veggies and garlic nut sauce for lunch. And then for a snack, again a couple of hours later, almond cookies or muffins. Fruit preferred, of course, and alternative Rice Krispie bars. And for dinner, have eggplant zucchini casserole and caramelized onions quinoa. That dinner is actually quite tasty. And finally, for the last day, day 7 of the detoxification plan, for breakfast, have some pancakes with pure maple syrup, of course just a little bit of it, or have applesauce mixed with a little bit of cinnamon. For a drink, have herb, ginger, or green tea. And then for lunch, pizza. Of course, use no yeast pizza dough or gluten-free pizza crust. Add your favorites that are within the guidelines. Coleslaw, made with red or green cabbage, shredded broccoli, and carrots. Add boiling hot water and leave for 20 minutes. Then strain. Add parsley, chives, and avocado salad dressing. For a snack, a mixed fresh fruit bowl 20 minutes before or 2 hours after a meal with Hawaiian dip. Organic corn tortilla chips with cilantro salsa or broccoli guacamole. For dinner, lentil rice burgers and yam fries, and these are not deep fried but rather oven baked. And that's it for the 7-day cleanse. If you liked the content of my video, I invite you to hit the like button or subscribe for further videos on this topic. My next videos will provide you with recipes as part of the detoxification plan, and also these recipes will be uploaded to my website as soon as my website is ready. Thank you.